In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. If you no longer want to use Facebook and want to remove your account completely, you can do it through the account settings in just a few steps. Keep in mind that permanently deleting your account will remove your profile, photos, videos, and all other data, and it cannot be recovered later. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. After that, look for Account Center and tap on it. Inside Account Center, tap on Personal Details. Then select Account Ownership and Control. Here you'll see an option called Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on it and choose the Facebook account you want to delete. Now select Delete Account and tap Continue. Facebook may ask you to enter your password to confirm your identity. Follow the steps on the screen and confirm the deletion request. And that's it. Your Facebook account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.